Hi everybody, this is Robin and I am here with Evil Client and we are doing a series of beginning nail art tutorials. Today I am going to do daisies. I'm using the wand and you can buy it at robinmosesnailart.com. It's used in 99% of my tutorials and I'm going to fill it up about a quarter of the way with white. And how you get a good daisy is hard and easy at the same time. So what you do, there's all kinds of daisies, and I'm going to do two different ones. So I'm going to do one like this, boom. And then what I do is I push, pull up, and then I lightly go in, and then I push down. Push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up, and push, pull up. Okay, now, at first glance that looks really, looks okay. Okay, so then you go back in and you have just a tiny bit of white on your brush and you kind of touch down and pull out all of the leaves to make them even without touching the other petals. It takes time, and these are one of the harder flowers because you have to get a lot of petals in a small circle circumference. And so like, it's so funny to say that the simple daisy is the hardest to paint, but in this case it is one of the harder ones. So then I take the orange and I fill in the center like this, and then while that's drying I'll do another one, and it is the same thing, only longer. So because it's so long, you don't know how many exactly you're going to have on there. So I just go in a circle and push, pull up, fill my brush, and my paint's getting a little bit too dried out, so I might add water, but push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up. And you can do it both ways and see which one works best for you, because this is a technique I would truly tell you to practice this on paper, because that's where I learned how to do the daisies, was on paper. Daisies are difficult because it's hard to get the petals to go exactly like that. Very difficult. And see, like if there's even a little gap after I've done so many billions of them, I just do like that. Fill in my gap right there. And then go in, and this one has a smaller center like that, and two different applications, same result. And then with the yellow, lastly, I go in and straight up and down I go into the center with a dot, boom, and pull it, and then push it and pull it so that it's just one dot in the center, encircled with an orange center. So anyways, I hope you guys learned. Please share this video. Please spread the word that I am making beginner tutorials, and subscribe. Get brushes at robinmosesnailart.com, and I will see you back with more. Bye guys.